Hi everyone, Nick Cardin here, Vice President General Manager here from the House of Yes, Puente Hills Toyota. And yes, we have on premises a huge state-of-the-art Toyota certified collision center. For Toyota to even consider a collision center to become certified, that means we must meet Toyota's exacting standards for collision repair and refinishing. We use only genuine Toyota parts, and our highly skilled techs promise to return your vehicle to pre-collision condition. We also have a professional detail center on premises to help bring your Toyota back to its showroom condition. We offer a lifetime warranty on workmanship and material for your complete peace of mind. We work with all major insurance companies and we offer free estimates while you wait. We've been chosen by almost every major insurance company as a direct repair facility due to our quality workmanship and our timeliness. We're proud to tell you that Puente Hills Auto Body is the #1 rated Toyota collision center in California for the last 15 years. We've won the National Toyota Collision Center of the Year award as well. In addition to all of these customer benefits, we proudly work on all makes and models. In closing, we're happy to take care of the smallest scratch to even a major accident repair, because we know just how important your complete satisfaction is every time you get behind the wheel. Puente Hills Toyota and Puente Hills Auto Body. One visit and you'll be a customer for life. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see all things Toyota related, please subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to see much more Toyota content. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Puente Hills Toyota.